In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use margin on Robinhood using your PC. If you've ever wanted to amplify your buying power or learn more about how margin investing works on the Robinhood platform, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through each step, from enabling margin to making your first margin trade, and finally checking how much margin you've used. Let's start right at the beginning. First, open up Robinhood on your PC and log in as you normally would. Make sure you're logging into the official Robinhood website through a secure internet connection for your safety. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here you'll find the account icon, which is typically represented as a little person or a circle. Click on that icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Investing. This section acts as your main dashboard for everything investment related on Robinhood. Now, on the investing page, you'll see an option labeled Enable Margin. Margin is essentially borrowed money from Robinhood that can be used to buy stocks and ETFs beyond what your own cash balance allows. If this is your first time using margin, the platform will ask you to review their margin agreement. This document outlines all the important terms, potential risks, and the cost of margin borrowing. Take a moment to read through the agreement carefully. Understanding these details is crucial as trading on margin carries additional responsibilities and risks. Once you've reviewed the information and feel comfortable, go ahead and click Accept to enable margin investing on your account. After enabling margin, you'll be returned to the investing page. Here, you'll notice your buying power has increased. Buying power represents the total amount of money you have available to purchase stocks or ETFs, and it now includes both your own cash and the margin or borrowed funds that Robinhood provides. This figure is updated in real time, and seeing the increase confirms that margin investing has been successfully enabled on your account. Ready to use your margin? Pick any stock or ETF that you're interested in purchasing and click on it to go to its detail page. Click the Buy button to bring up the order screen. If you're using margin, the screen will show you whether the order will use your borrowed funds. Enter the amount you wish to invest, then click Review Order. If everything looks correct, proceed by clicking Buy to complete your margin purchase. Remember, the order screen will indicate if margin is being used, so you can always double check before finalizing any trade. Finally, let's check how much margin you're currently using. Go back to the Account section at the top right of the screen and select Margin Investing from the menu. Here, you'll find your margin balance, which shows exactly how much of the borrowed funds you've used for your investments. Monitoring this balance regularly is a good habit, as it helps you stay on top of your obligations and manage risk responsibly. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to enable margin on Robinhood, make a margin-based trade, and keep an eye on your margin usage. Always invest responsibly, and make sure to understand both the benefits and the risks before trading with borrowed funds. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other Robinhood tutorials for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy investing.